Once again, I am here with my new topic and last one thing, best practices. First of all, I want to tell you till now I have covered all the topics which by the help of which you can crack any type of interview. Nothing will be asked beyond this. Now, there are some best practices for any of the programming language like Python, SQL, any of them. So there are some best practices for Tableau 2. What are they? So there are set of directives that you should ideally follow when you creating a visualization in Tableau. Fulfill the purpose first. Define the purpose of your visualization for which you are creating graph, which data you want to show. Focus on that objective. Second thing, consider the audience. You have to showcase your data study according to your audience. If they are a technical person, you can consider them for in depth. But if they are not a technical person, then you have to consider differently. You have to show them just summary. Provide context. Ensure that your visualization contains supporting information. If you have done some analysis, then you should provide data on which you have done analysis, the time of its collection, and explain how it relates to your audience. Show the numbers. Show all the values which you have calculated for critical components of visualization. And the next one, present the most important information first. This is especially important because sorting the data and arranging multiple visualization in a dashboard should be there. Sorting the data, which one information is much important should be come first, and which is least informative should be at last. Pay attention to the aesthetics. What colors, what formatting, what font you are using should be uh, taken considerable because it's showing how much efficient you are and how much information you want to provide by the information of colors and formatting. So if we will go to the sales here, this is a scene dataset, sample superstore dataset. We have considered here subcategory and sales, the relation between subcategory and sales. We can see by this visualization that phones have maximum sales and fastest have less sales. If we click on this, we can also know sales. But if we want to provide in depth, then what we should do? We should provide this sales to the label. Put this sale to the labels. What you will find out then? You will find out the exact number. So this is a better representation. Similar way, you can also change some color too. You can also have some categories there, and you can also put their colors on the basis of those categories. Some other best practices are remove the third dimension, eliminate the grid line, eliminate variations in the color if they do not encode any meaning. See, if you have different colors on the your visualization in any chart, then there should be some they should be have some representation. Means green have some other property, orange should have some other property. It should not be there that for a same dimension, same measure, you are using multiple colors. Remove data that is irrelevant. Condense data using summaries. Emphasize more important data visual attributes using color size. Emphasize important data by putting it on the dashboard. Refer to the diagram. Like explain this like this. Refer to the diagram given below. You have to explain like this. So friends, these all are the best practices of Tableau which I want to tell you. You have to be very considerable how you are creating visualization, uh, how you are generating a dashboard. This is very important because how you are arranging data after how you are showing data, it's also important for visualization person. I hope you understood what are the best practices. Thank you so much.